Welcome to Fusco Live. Today we're going to be making some easy pancakes. Before we start, I have washed my hands using our guide that you found in your packet that we sent out last week. So first of all, I've got everything that I'm going to need, which is called mise en place. I've got my dry ingredients, my flour, my sugar, my leavening agent, baking powder, salt, and my wet ingredients. I have milk, I have 1 egg, and I have oil. We're going to start by putting all the dry ingredients in the bowl. Flour, this is 2 tablespoons of sugar. I need a half a teaspoon of salt. And I need 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm going to use the top of the container to level it off. 1, 2, and the half measure. Make sure you have yourself a good set of measuring spoons. It's really makes the process a lot easier. Okay, I'm gonna mix those all together. That's all dry ingredients. Over here with the wet ingredients, I'm keeping the milk in here, and I'm gonna add all the wet ingredients in there. Breaking up the egg a little bit. The oil, quick stir, and then we're gonna put it in with our dry ingredients. So we've got everything in there. We're gonna mix it together so that everything is broken up. Like, we don't want any lumps in here, but we don't want to mix it as much as we would mix like a cake mix. It's almost there. I've got the griddle preheated. I'm gonna spray some canola oil on here. But before I do that, we're gonna see if putting water on the griddle, if it's hot enough, if it sizzles. Let's see. There's a little sizzle there. I think we're ready to go. There you go. All right. I'm gonna spray this canola oil. I'm using the scoop so our pancakes will be about the same size. I'm gonna try to put 6 on here, and we're gonna watch for some bubbling, and that's going to determine when we turn the pancakes over, so we know that the batter is cooked in the middle. You don't want uncooked batter in the middle. And I've had this griddle for a number of years because I only use plastic spatulas on it. And we've got a nice heavy face plastic spatula given to us by our granddaughter. Okay, you see the bubbles starting? I would have thought that would have started here first. We're waiting on that. We want these to kind of pop open. And I'm gonna look on the other side before I flip it to see if it's golden brown, because you don't want a pale pancake. Let's see. Nope, not quite done yet. And I've got this griddle on 350. If you don't have a griddle like this, you could use a pan on top of the stove. You just wouldn't be able to probably make as many pancakes. Okay, I see something happening here. Not quite. It's a little brown. This looks like it might be turning brown first. Not quite. We're getting close. Almost ready to flip. I'm gonna flip this one, even though it's our second cake. Let's see what that looks like. Not bad. I'd like the whole thing to be brown. Let's see what our first one looks like. Better? Oh, that's good. Getting better. They're getting better as they come back here. Oh, that's perfect. Very nice. So this is an easy pancake mix, and you just want to make sure the other side, because that'll cook really fast. So it's still cooking. This is the color you want on these back too. These will still be scrumptious, but you eat with your eyes, so this is what I'd want to see on my plate. So let me just flip this over and see what these guys look like. Perfect. So that's how you make easy pancakes.